So if you don't know what Deathswap is, it's basically a plugin that teleports all the players to one another, and the end goal is to kill each other. And that's what me and Lito are playing. When do we swap?
We don't get a warning, do we?
Do we? When do we swap? Oh no. It's between 2 and 5 minutes.
That's scary. Oh, it's not safe. Oh, it does tell. Ah!
I know that hurts you.
I didn't get hurt. Oh, it's a sunken ship. Did you already get this? Hey.
I don't know how to kill you. Oh, I have an idea. I'm gonna end this game. Oh,
Yeah, I shouldn't sing.
You could sing.
No, I'm not gonna. I was gonna sing Savage Love for like the 100th time.
It's not safe.
Unsafe? Oh.
No.
Did you really just...
Ah, I'm so lucky I would pick up.
I was hoping you didn't. Well, I'm just trying to find one thing and I cannot find it.
Alright, if I kill you, the video ends. Right there.
Why? Wait, how are you gonna kill me?
I have tricks up my sleeve.
Oh, let's go. Alright, I'm hoping this works. I don't think I have enough time this time, but next time, you're dead. I feel like you're about to die from something. You sure?
Yeah.
I think you are. I don't think you have much life left in you.
You might actually die. Whoa.
Are you not dead?
Whoa.
How are you not dead?
I placed the crafting table on one of the cobblestone and made a bow.
Really?
No.
What'd you do?
A little maneuver.
Why are you in the ice, bruh?
I don't know, I found that place.
Get away from it.
I can't. That place is only snow.
Oh my god, I just fell through some snow.
Easy. It's not safe. I got an idea. No, I don't.
I actually got an idea, so you're dead. I might die actually.
We're swapping.
Lito? Let's go!
Why is there so much sound?
I'm so good at this game. This is pretty easy when your opponent sucks.
What?
Yeah. I wish you were better, so I would actually have a challenge. I might challenge Fuzzy or something.
In this?
Yeah.
He would beat you.
Nah, he sucks.
I think he would beat you.
I think you'd beat Fuzzy, that's how bad he is.
Wait, what? Now you're trash talking Fuzzy.
Lito, I could kill you the exact same way. Did I?
No, I have a plan.
I should change it up, huh? I'm gonna try changing it up.
I'm gonna... Dolphin!
I'm about to kill you with flowers.
Wait, no, this isn't how...
I'm just waiting for the countdown. You're not ready.
No!
What? How did that happen?
No, that's gonna reveal my plan.
Well, you're clearly trying to drown me.
Yeah, that's... anyone can see that. But how can they see that?
Let's say I kill you in the first swap. What would you do?
I'll give you like... I don't know.
You don't know?
Oh.
Say that now, but once I kill you...
I might not.
Yeah. Did you not die? Let's go!
Oh my god. I moved.
I'm literally one of the best, I think.
Nah.
I think you suck.
Nah, I probably.
Alright, I'll kill you the last way I could think of right now. But that's gonna take a while.
I can see a lot of ways, but they're hard. But I'm gonna make it come true. Let's foreshadow for the last part of this video.
Which one's getting an upgrade?
You find diamonds.
Are you serious? Kidding, I'm not dumb. I'm just waiting for the swap. I'm taking my crafting table.
I'm taking mine.
Nah, I'm taking mine. Damn, this one's taking forever.
Yeah, something like that.
I have 2 ideas on how to kill you. But one's a lot harder than the other. But one needs something that's rare.
Diamond,
Nah,
obsidian.
nah. Something more rare than both of those. Well, there's that. Oh, I feel dumb now. You see, I thought I was doing the same thing. That's crazy.
But I would.
Yeah, you win. Because I forgot to put the water.
Did you die yet?
From what?
From my
You mean
trap.
from the iron I just found?
No, my trap.
What trap?
You were trapped.
That didn't feel like it.
Nah, you were. I know you were breathing for air. Gasping.
Oh my gosh, bro.
What?
Nothing.
Damn.
Good try.
I was gonna. Never mind.
I wasn't trying to trap you, if you can't tell.
It's a trap. I'm stuck.
Are you stuck? Almost killed myself.
Good.
Praying on my downfall.
I am.
You always do that.
When are we going down?
3, 2, 1. You're so trash.
Let's go!
You did what I did. Literally.
First dub.
Ooh, I'm feeling this.
I'm not feeling this one.
You're gonna do the same thing. I'm about to die. Oh, damn.
I'm about to die. Wait, you're. What?
What?
You're not about to die. You're at full heart.
Okay. But I feel like I'm about to die.
You're a liar.
You are too.
No. Did you get
Yeah.
trapped?
I got trapped.
Yeah.
No. Trapped by
So
what?
you didn't get. There was lava there.
Lava where?
Under there.
Underway.
Ooh, under. Whoa.
Oh shoot. That's a skeleton. Hot stuff? Which one's hot stuff?
I hit a bee.
What?
I hit a bee.
What does that mean?
It means the bee is mad.
I'm dead.
Good game. Good game.
I might actually die.
My trap worked.
What trap? I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I should be dead. I should be dead. I'm dead.
My trap worked.
What trap? You had no trap.
You got trapped. You got trapped.
Did I just go the easiest way that I did earlier?
Nah, I'll be prepared this time.
How are you gonna be prepared?
I
You
know
can't
a little
prepare.
trick.
Oh yeah, so you want me to do it? That'll kill you.
It can't kill me.
Whatever, I'm ready. For you to die.
I'm also ready.
I have a guess on what you're gonna do.
Oh, you don't.
Yeah, I do.
This one's more advanced than the others.
Wait, you're gonna kill me? I'm gonna die. I literally have nothing to prepare.
All the preparations are met.
What?
I'm dead.
I told you!
No!
You can't escape it.
I got hurt by the iron golem.
You really tried killing me with the iron golem?
Thought he would get mad at you.
You didn't. Me and him were chill.
What?
Yeah.